guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM and microSD card in your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. So the first thing that you need to do is to take off the case. Now, as you can see, when our case is taken off, we need to proceed. Take the SIM card opener, and one SIM card opener should come with you with your device, so we will have one. So once you have this microSD card SIM card opener, we need to put this needle over here. Don't use the regular needle because it can damage your internal phone. Now, if we use some strength, we can see that the SIM card tray is here. Once you get it from here, as I can see, I have only the SIM card, but that doesn't matter. Here, place the SIM card like this, so that it can fit this frame. As you can see, it can fall out very quickly because it doesn't have these locks, but if you see that this fit is correct and it doesn't really wait a moment, I need to show you this. Here, it doesn't really get out of these frames. It actually feels nice. The SIM card is correctly placed. Here, the same you need to do with this microSD card. The same frames, the same placement, but over here, as you can see, it needs to fit that frame, and here everything is done. Now we need to just as you can see, we need to be careful. Now, when our SIM card is placed back again, wait a moment, here, we can place our SIM card in our device. Now, as you can see, our phone did something in the background, but let me unlock it very quickly. And now, here we do have our SIM card done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.